and welcome to 813 Shearwater Way in the beautiful Emerson Ranch community in Oakley, California. I'm Jen with E3 Realty, and I can't wait to show you this amazing home. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath has over $150,000 in upgrades, including luxury tile flooring, beautiful accent walls and plank ceiling, a huge open floor plan, and so much more. The primary suite is a dream with dual sink vanity, multiple walk-in closets, a spa-like tub and shower. Did I mention this home also comes with own solar? The backyard oasis is the perfect place to unwind and relax, from the built-in barbecue to the deluxe gazebo and hot tub spa. What are we waiting for? Let's go check it out. This home is conveniently located right across from Emerson Ranch Community Park, featuring basketball courts, baseball field, multiple play structures, as well as walking trails. It's also minutes away from Big Break Regional Shoreline. I hope you enjoyed that beautiful home tour as much as I did. For more information, pictures, and a 3D scan of every inch of this home that you can view from any device, please feel free to visit the property website at 813shearwater.com. If you have any questions regarding this property or you'd like to set up a private tour, please feel free to reach out to me at 925-354-5145. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.